In this video, I will cover the solutions of question 1 from class 10 maths NCERT exercise 3.1, and the chapter is linear equation. The question is, Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago, I was 7 times as old as you were then. Also, 3 years from now, I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Is not this interesting? Represent the situation algebraically and graphically. Solution of first condition. Let Aftab's age be x and his daughter's age be y. Therefore, before 7 years relation between these ages is x minus 7 is equal to 7 within brackets y minus 7. Therefore, x minus 7 is equal to 7y minus 49. Therefore, x minus 7y is equal to minus 49 plus 7. So, I have taken 7y to the left side and 7 to the right hand side. So, when we take 7y to the left, it will be negative, and when we take minus 7 to the right hand side, it will be positive. Therefore, x minus 7y is equal to minus 42, because minus 47 plus 7 is equal to minus 42. Therefore, x is equal to minus 42 plus 7y. In this line again I have taken minus 7y to the right hand side. Let y be 6. We have assumed y is equal to 6 to find the value of x. Therefore, x is equal to minus 42 plus within brackets 7 into 6. Here I have replaced the value of y by 6. Therefore, it is equal to minus 42 plus 42, because 7 into 6 is equal to 42. So, this is equal to 0. Now, let y be 7. Now, putting value of y equal to 7, we get x is equal to minus 42 plus within brackets 7 into 7. This is equal to minus 42 plus 49, because 7 7 the 49. And that is equal to 7, because minus 42 plus 49 is equal to 7. Now taking the value of y equal to 8. Now replacing the value of y by 8, we get x is equal to minus 42 plus within brackets 7 into 8 is equal to minus 42 plus 56, because 7 8 the 56. Now the difference of minus 42 plus 56 is equal to 14. Now taking the values of y and corresponding value of x, we get the values of xy in the following table. We have shown the values of all set of values. The first set of value is 0 6, second is 7 7, and the third is 14 8. Now draw two lines on the graph sheet. One is horizontal to the paper and one is vertical to the paper. The horizontal line is x-axis and the vertical line is y-axis. Now we will mark the scale on both axes. Then we will plot the points given in the solution. The first point is 0 6, the second point is 7 7, and the third point is 14 8. All these 3 points have been shown in the figure. This is point 0 6. That means the value on the x-axis is 0 and value on the y-axis is 6. This is second point 7 7. That means the value on x-axis is 7 and value on y-axis is again 7. This is the third point 14, 8. That means the value on x-axis is 14 and value on y-axis is 8. Now join all these 3 points by a straight line. So this line will show the line x minus 7y is equal to minus 42. Now we will start the solution of second condition. Let Aftab's age be x and his daughter's age be y. Therefore, after 3 years, relation between their ages, x plus 3 is equal to 3 into within brackets y plus 3. Therefore, x plus 3 is equal to 3y plus 9. Now taking plus 3 to the right hand side and plus 3y to the left hand side. Therefore, x minus 3y is equal to 9 minus 3. Therefore, x minus 3y is equal to 6 as 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. Now taking minus 3y to the right hand side, therefore x is equal to 6 plus 3y. Now let y be minus 2. Now putting the value of y, that is minus 2, in the equation, we get x is equal to 6 plus 3 into within brackets minus 2. So this is equal to 6 minus 6 and that is equal to 0. Now let y be 0. Now let y be plus 2. Therefore, x is equal to 6 plus within brackets 3 into plus 2. So this is equal to 6 plus 6 and that is equal to 12. Now putting the values of y and their corresponding values of x in a tabular form, we get x is equal to 0, 6, 12 and y is equal to minus 2, 0, 2. Therefore, there are 3 set of values of x. First is 0, minus 2, second 6, 0 and third is 12, 2. Now mark all the 3 set of values in the graph. So the first value, this is 0, minus 2. And this is the second set of value, that is 6, 0. And this is the third set of value, that is 12, 2. That means 12 on the x-axis and 2 on the y-axis. Now join all the 3 points with a straight line, so you will get the plotting of the second equation, x minus 3y is equal to 6. Therefore, this second line represents the equation x minus 3y is equal to 6. If you like the video, please click the like button and please subscribe our channel and please press the bell icon so that you can get all the information about our coming videos.